The split and merge feature allows users to combine pages from PDF documents in any way they like, or to split existing PDFs into separate documents to create entirely new PDFs from existing ones. From the dashboard, select Split and Merge, and you'll be invited to open some PDF documents. Microsoft users can open files from OneDrive. Google users can open files from Google Drive. And of course, all users can select files from their computer. You can simplify the view to File mode, while most features are available with Page mode selected. You can rename the file. You can remove the file. You can download the file or upload it to Google Drive or OneDrive, depending on how you signed in to OrbitNote. You can preview any page. You can duplicate any page. And you can delete any page. Using the Split option, you can select where you want to break the document as many times as you like. Select Download or Upload once you've chosen where to split the document. And you can save the new PDF or PDFs. Alternatively, you can choose to create a totally new PDF by dragging and dropping any page or pages into the area at the bottom of the window. Simply drag the pages you want, reorganize them as you wish, select a name for the file, and download or upload to save the new document.